Can't answer the question because I'm not a father.
First off, Shenseea.
Yeah.
What's up, girl?
Wagwan.
Miss, come out of the vehicle.
Hey, watch ya. Welcome to the countdown. Welcome. Social media countdown. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. No, wait. Did you check out the lunar eclipse? Did you see it? Did you take pictures? I never see because I was busy watching a movie on Netflix and so that totally missed me. But did you see it? Anyway, burritos, let's get right into the top 10 social media countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Shaggy Unmasked. Me bombastic. Okay, burritos. So if you don't know, if you have been living under a rock, I must say that. Let me just inform you that there's a show called Masked Singer. It is called The Masked Singer, where they invite celebrities to perform on stage while wearing costumes, and the public has to guess who is inside of that costume. Okay, so Shaggy came on the recent season, and he was there dressed as the Space Bunny. Now, several of the judges, they were trying to guess. Some of them said Sean Paul. Some, was guessing said probably Shaggy, or maybe it might be an NBA player. And ultimately, it was revealed that the Space Bunny was indeed Shaggy.
So I think it is the amazing and the extremely funny and entertaining Shaggy.
It's a good guess right there, Robin. Nicole, what you got?
I'm feeling what Robin's saying. If I have to pick one, Nick, with the boombox, the boombastic, the angel from his song Angel, my darling angel,
yep,
and the furry dog. Come on now, Shaggy.
Shaggy. All right, panel. You've made your final guesses. Let's see if any of you are correct. Who's behind the mask? Audience, say it with me. Take it up. Grammy Award-winning superstar, Shaggy! Yeah!
No, wow, no. I have to just big up Shaggy because Shaggy is remarkable. He understands American media and he knows how to play that circuit to the T. Like, he has all of these connections and he's able to bring them together to ultimately work for him. And I think that is just genius. And I'm just in awe of how he manages to keep himself in the American conversation once it comes to musicians, whether or not he has a single out. That's just it. I just think that is just genius. Anyway, big up yourself, Shaggy, and as always for representing brand Jamaica.
Now that we throw your hands up. Put them up.
Number 9, Shacarri says, me last place. Okay, burritos. So, you know, so from the start about Shacarri, it have to be some piece of drama because that girl just attract drama like how mosquito just Yeah, I have no idea where I was going with that, so we are going to press along like we are saints. Anyway, so Shacarri posted on her social media that she was involved in a relationship with a Jamaican athlete, a female Jamaican athlete, and that it was quite chaotic. Let me just read you what the star said. She said, I was in a relationship with a Jamaican athlete that never cared about me from the jump. Richardson said, I was abused and stole from, yet protected her from judgment of her country and family while they dragged me. I had to deal with homophobia and so much more that I'm healing from. Okay. And then she went on and posted a picture with her and the athlete on her Instagram page.
I run too much joke, yeah.
Me not have no problem if she want to vent on social media, you know, but Jesus P, if only she could have run her foot them as much as she run her mouth. I mean, but yeah, But like, I just honestly just hope that Shacarri, she gets some healing, because I still feel as if this girl she has something to offer the world. What that thing is, I do not know, but I still feel as if this girl has been through a lot, and she's just at a stage right now where she's trying to figure out herself, and she honestly just needs some healing. But Burritos, let me know, what did you think about this entire situation? And also, a part of me don't like that I feel like she was using trigger words to kind of manipulate the situation, bringing up homophobia and Jamaican athlete. Like, she could have told this entire thing without going into detail like that, but a part of me feels like she understands how to kind of stir up drama unnecessarily, and that is what she's doing. But Burritos, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about this Shacarri case? Down below for number 9.
JPS, I understand I'm over zone I go through, but Jesus, man, look at water, man. I don't have the water turn off all day. The place just dirty. Now look at water for some refresh toilet. We can't be able to make water liquid over Bodo so. Remember, say, godliness and cleanliness. All the place for clean if there's no water.
Number 8, everybody strikes mid-Jamaica war. Jesus Pim, I do not know what is happening in the country. It seems as if it's just pure pandemonium taking place. I even saw a tweet, and I think it was from Joel Namdarkam, and it says, when the head boy lose control of the student body, and you know, it makes us kind of beg the question, what is really going on? If I were the Prime Minister, like me yeah, more than just have to go take some sick leave, some administrative leave, but for just go and think, because a lot has been happening in a short period of time. And recently now, we are seeing where the NWC workers decided to just put together an entire strike, and many of people in the island have been living without water. They've been having water disruptions because of that strike.
Water Commission NWC workers restive and festive. In St. Thomas, several employees outside the NWC parish office vibing as cool melodies from popular reggae hits play in the background. Over in St. James, workers enjoy a game of dominoes. In St. Catherine, NWC employees relaxing in seats under the shade of umbrellas.
And no, to make matters worse, the NHT workers jumped into that conversation and decided to have a strike of their own. No, sir. So much can happen right now. We're not even going to talk about the crime. Like, I think Jamaica just want to wash off. I think Mr. Rush Gamma said Jamaica need to go and soak in a rice, and I definitely have to go and co-sign with him. Jamaica needs a little break for just sit back, relax, and, you know, shampoo and conditioner and wheel and come and then. Maybe Jamaica right now just need a lineup. We need a lineup, or we need for just like something. We can't just go around the place and just rough and bushy and rugged. So like, we need a little, you know, we need a little beer, a little new cologne. Maybe we just need a little change of scenery. Hopes the Olympics or up and come, World Championships to kind of bring back the togetherness, so we can kind of feel good for at least a little 3 weeks, then we have to keep for. But readers, one word to describe the state of Jamaica right now. Sound off below. Number 7, Stark Ashley. Starked? Wow, Burritos. So I spoke about Stark Ashley possibly dating Skeng in a recent social media countdown, and let me just tell you, Stark Ashley is back on the countdown again. This time not because of any association with Skeng, but because she was performing on stage, you know, live performance, she girl up there do her thing, when some random man came on the scene and proceeded to want to gyrate pan her. And if him with then him can't that man, the standard out, and he never do. With my you would be best. Cause that's how you feel sad, yeah. But all night out of bed, but when you're confident, we're ready, that young man. When I get
Can I get a wow.
Wow!
Oh, I feel so bad for you. Are you okay?
Oh wow, no, that ain't cool. That ain't cool, and I must commend the swift action of the people on the stage. I guess this was a bodyguard because he quickly just pushed the man down. Him just push him down like same as a little piece of chicken wing. Like honestly, like it made the mother look so light. You know, like when you play domino or you play marble, it just goes up. Yeah, man, that was that. But yeah, anyway, just man them please for controlling yourself when you're not drinking a little liquor because this is not okay. Okay? Comment down below your thoughts, burritos. Number 6, Jamaican Innovation. Me take it and make fashion. Okay, burritos. So one of the things that I always have to celebrate about Jamaican people is the fact that we are so innovative. Like we are very creative people. Take a look at this gentleman and the machine that he was able to build with his own hands.
Jamaicans are really talented.
How long are you make it?
Yes, man.
And how long you have it now?
From 2020.
2020, you cannot walk.
No.
Okay. Whoa.
That's the reason why I make it, you know?
I respect you. And the idea you come up with.
Yeah, man.
And it's better for you. Because I respect it because we are looking at us and we never see nothing like that yet. I was so talented because before we even see you, you talk about bicycle.
Alright, watch out now. I'm putting the steer with them.
Okay.
Now about reverse stay now.
Wait there.
You want to reverse?
Yes, man. This is so... I'm with the blows hands. Hold on. Whoa. Respect me, Jen.
Oh wow. No, honestly, like when we look on that, I just feel workless because me couldn't do that. I could not do that. So hats off for that gentleman for creating something that he's able to move himself from point A to point B. This car, bike, hybrid, like this is the type of things that remind me that Jamaican people, we are just so special. We are so dynamic. We just, I don't know. We're just different. Like big up yourself, bro. Number 5, Lexi funeral moment. Megungo. Okay, burritos. So you know, I'm sure. Some time ago, you hear the sad news that Lexi the Best, the winner of 876 Roommates, that she passed away in a tragic car accident. Well, her funeral was held recently, and it was just so great to see that some of her castmates stopped by to share a few words.
Hey, drop no beat. Oh, you have video? Alright.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Lexi is a very wonderful, kind, officially person. Yes, Lexi is a very good person. Even though we know her for 2 weeks. Yeah, cause 2 weeks we know her for, right?
Yeah.
Wow. You feel like
2 years.
What you call 10 year a decade. God no. Lexi, rest in peace. Big up yourself.
Swiss!
Alright, I'm kinda tired because I was a party reaching 7 o'clock and still reach right there, so that's some looks at Josie. But Lexi, rest in peace. You know we love you same way. You see me? The memories carry on. You see me? Everybody will support her, big up on yourself, same way, you know.
Yeah.
World dog say yo, big her up, same way. He couldn't make it, but him big her up from afar. You see me? Hot dog, we had that one no cook already come here. Oh, alright, and then hot dog never reach out to me, somebody know. Never ask Paris, the girl do makeup, Paris, that's his husband, or his wife. Alright people, dig up on yourself, yeah? Nah man. Wow, when I grow.
Yeah man, big up Swissley and Cuz for keeping the energy going and for sharing the 2 cents, even though they said they had quite a busy day. They make sure so them go and give Lexi a strength, and I'm sure this is something that she would have appreciated. Number 4, female badness. Burritos, let me just say this, like, when I did see this video with this woman that was running away, this woman was evading the police. She did not want to stop. Like, people, just take a look. Come on, want to see the video.
Went back on Chisholm from Maxfield. Went into the plaza, U-turn. She's having us round in the plaza. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. You're not coming. Miss, come out of the vehicle. Exit the vehicle, miss. Miss, come out of the vehicle.
You look like you come and work with video people.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't come and tell me that's what he has been doing. Huh?
Hello. Hello, miss. It's on video when you reverse into the vehicle, miss.
No, honestly, if this woman was abroad, like, I think she she wouldn't be alive to exit the car. She would not be alive to leave the car because me I tell her that the mother, it wouldn't normal. This woman, like, I don't know, like, she was in the wrong from start to end, like, she just did wrong, right, wrong. Like, honestly, me I feel wonder, this is somebody's wife, somebody's girlfriend, somebody's mother, somebody's co-worker, somebody's employee, somebody's boss. Like, what was, listen, burritos, me don't even want to start on the topic here, but please let me know, what do you think of this situation, and did you feel that she got away with so much because she was a woman, and do you think that that was okay? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and run club. Sing along. Well then, big up my friend.
Alright, so now in the big up segment, I have to go and big up Veronica Campbell Brown, VCB, and she recently had her 40th birthday, and she also took that moment to announce that she is pregnant with her second child. So big up yourself, Veronica Campbell Brown, and all the best on this pregnancy. Also, I forgot to big up a rising artist by the name of Nachami and her new single that is called Fallin'.
Fallin', my brothers are falling. Fallin', my sisters are falling.
This burritos, let me just remind you, my birthday is May 26th. I'm still a hope for that present, which is a bag from Brescia. A Brescia bag, the website, go and be in the description, go and go check them out. I just ask for it, even though I might not get it, but you have to just manifest things out there. And also, the only other thing I think I'd want for my birthday, as I mentioned, is like some graphic tees, because I just love wear t-shirt. I love them. So for the people who have them brand, just send me little stuff, send me the, email me TheDuttyBerryShow, and I could just talk about it. See? Anyway, and also give me some suggestions. What do you think I should do for my birthday? It is going to be a Thursday, May 26th. How do you think I should celebrate? I can put it in the comment section down below, but I'm very open to, like, new experiences, like probably try out a restaurant, probably get a cake, like probably, just sound off down below and give me some suggestions. And to close things off on a kind of sad note, RIP to the legendary broadcaster, Mrs. Barbara Gludon. She passed away a few days ago at the age of 87. Number 3, Likkle Addi, not the daddy.
Hey, baby, you know your baby father.
Yeah. Okay, so dancehall artist Vybz Kartel's sons Likkle Addi and Likkle Vibe recently appeared on the popular The Fix podcast to, I guess, give an update on their new music, their new projects. But this is the part that got them here on the social media countdown when one of the hosts, Naro, asked about what fatherhood is like for the young performer. Get ready for what he said.
So I'm asking about that. How has that been?
I can't answer that question because I'm not a father. So I can't answer that question.
Not a father?
Not a father.
So the baby is not yours?
I just confirm it.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
No, it's good though.
Yeah.
Just make the people them know now because people still ask me.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, good. So confirm it.
So you had to do a DNA test? Like, was there any screwed
oh wow. No, I mean, Jesus P, honestly, I never know say Jacket and them something they did that give out like at that tender age because on the most did see the big excitement that took place on social media. There was a baby shower, the both of them were taking picture, him and the girl, their family embrace, shot today, everything and this was like a what you call it, one nice like a teenage. Can you say that a nice like a teenage relationship, pregnancy? I wasn't really worried because at the end of the day, them have the money and the means to take care of the child. So that was, I guess, the light in this situation. And them have the extended family that I'm sure would have chipped in. But with this revelation, like, I'm just like baffled. And I'm just sure like, yo, him brother was just there kind of just like not even wanting to talk about it because I'm sure this has got to be a very messed up and unfortunate thing to happen in the family. Me don't know, like, wow. But some other people are actually alleging that this could be an entire promotional tool. This could be just like a gimmicks thing, controversial thing that I guess was orchestrated by Vybz Kartel's sons because, you know, they must learn from them fathers. So sometimes you have to kind of spice up the thing and have stuff in the media. So who knows at the end of the day? But people, I believe it real because, boy, I mean, I think nobody would really come and joke about them because something here for an interview like this. So, damn. Wow. Damn. Ooh. Burritos, let me know why me almost ask you know, if you never give a jacket or get a jacket yet, but might as well. Comment down below, people. Sound off in the comment section. Number 2, out of order, student. Mid-detention. Burritos. No, let me just tell you this. Like, I saw this video and it definitely got me so upset and reminded me why I don't think I could ever be a teacher in current day Jamaica.
Right. You must have manners. Yeah, manners, what are you? Don't talk to me so loud either. Don't talk to me. Don't touch me. Don't come in here and put it down out of the dog shit. Don't be over here now. Be quiet. Be quiet. I'm not here more. Be quiet. I'm not more. Don't talk to me like that. We're right. You're not no man. That's why no man no want you. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Honestly, right there and then when I resigned, when I just walk out, like, I would have definitely just said, like, yeah, point of information, I'm gonna my yard because this not worth it.
Careful. No, you don't come here then because you're not dog.
Yeah, watch your mother.
I'm hearing you buy some over my class.
You know.
And I felt that it was just like, it was horrible watching that video and to realize that this is how this person was behaving in the class and you know, kudos to the teacher for at least showing some amount of restraint and trying to kind of keep herself like out of harm's way, because I don't think many people could actually be in this environment and not react in a very violent way, especially being talked to like this from a child. And so, you know, it brings into question what kind of home is this child being raised in, what are the conversations that he is listening to that would actually give him the gall to utter something like this to somebody who is his senior. Because this is not right, no time. But it definitely does speak to the breakdown of, you know, respect in society. I keep on talking about the social media kind of creating this tenement yard where adults and kids and seniors are all in the same space. And with that, it has kind of removed the lines where, you know, there's a certain mode of contact that children should have with adults. And no, it's like free game. So you will have like kids cursing expletives in front of elders and elders cursing in front of children, and it's no just this is free-for-all ball game. And hopefully something is done about this, and the child must have some consequences. There has to be consequences for that sort of action. And that's all I have to say, Burritos. I'd love for you to tell me one thing that you would have done if you saw this video and that was your child. I want to hear in the comment section down below.
Guys, you don't know, so it's a girl Shenseea and you're watching Duttyberry social media countdown. Keep it locked. Shenseea.
And number one goes to Shenseea at the Billboard Music Awards. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number one goes to Shenseea presenting at the Billboard Music Awards 2022. No, honestly, I am very proud. I'm happy for Shenseea. I love these.
Presenting, which were you more nervous for, the show or being on that stage tonight?
Being on that stage tonight. Because it's my first, I don't know what to expect. So hopefully, let's see how it goes.
Well, I've seen you.
No, let's get into the BBA talk. Look at Shenseea's outfit. Look at the material. Look how the girl stepped on the red carpet. Like, girl, they look good. She looked great. Like, she looked like she blended with all of the foreign girl. Like, and truth be told, she was stepping on many of them necks. Like, truth be told, Shenseea was one of the most eye-catching ones that was on the red carpet. And she brought her and her son Rogero, and Rogero did bring the fashion to be like, if Rogero first big red carpet moment, like the brother never did that play. Me not lie, like I feel like Rogero was probably one of the best dressed men on the night. Like round of applause for Rogero. Round of applause, clean to the man step, clean to the step, Jesus beam. And she was actually there to present for Pepsi an award, and people them give Shenseea one big elephant speech. Like the girl get a essay for read to the entire audience. Talk about airtime.
Sensation. Please welcome Shenseea. First, I gotta give a shout out to my country, Jamaica, real quick. Billboard one! And now, something new at the Billboard Music Awards. The first ever...
And she did not make a mistake because I listen to me and say, no, if me did a talk so to so many people, so many icons in one space, me know from the first sentence, me buck my toe. But yeah, she go up on the stage now, she in her little Likkle Addi dress. And I did like the Likkle Addi dress, like, and everybody could have wear this. This is not for everybody. This is like, you know, like when you wash, I want to take up all of the dirty sheet and carry to the washing machine. And so you just take everything and put on your body. So you have all kind of material, all kind of fabric, just carry upon your like, say, just you know, walk with the cross. That is what the dress they look like, but Shenseea wore it well. And everybody could have do it, but she did it well. Okay, and she even got the opportunity to actually throw to the commercial break, which was more airtime. And
coming up next, Mary J. Blige gets the Billboard Icon Award. Then later, performances by Travis Scott, Machine Gun Kelly, Ed Sheeran, and Maxwell's musical tribute to the 40th anniversary of Thriller. All here on the Billboard News.
I just loved it, and I like the fact that she is definitely finding the balance to catering to the American masses, but also utilizing the power and effectiveness of her Jamaican flavor.
And with this, achoo.
And then she had an interview with Billboard Awards, and so what I'm hearing now is that Shenseea will be working with P. Diddy.
You've been working in the studio with Diddy? Yeah, I mean, hey, yeah. I have ears in the streets. Tell me what we got coming with you and Diddy.
Man, you got the real exclusive. You dropped that one on me like boom.
Yes, man, Diddy, Mr. Love. And I'm wondering, is this a musical collaboration? Is he going to be producing songs for her? I am just excited what this partnership could mean if it wasn't the fact say people are say Young Miami there with Diddy. But that kind of thing say Shenseea, yeah, but I think say Diddy are running pan Shenseea because you know Diddy love the little, you know, the little mixed girl, the girl with the little special flavor, the little special sauce. And him like a little youngin, so in my mind I did feel like him probably would have been the mystery person that Shenseea was talking about. And it would have definitely make sense why she is keeping this secret. Because you hear she say it wasn't not the brother there, you know. I can't even remember his name right now. It wasn't that producer. She I think about bigger level, bigger heads. And if I did it Shenseea go, that is definitely a game changer. Now I have nothing to say about that. Well, that's it, Burritos. What do you think of Shenseea's first Billboard Music Awards appearance. Sound off below. Well, that's it, people. Thank you for watching this social media countdown. Ensure that you hit the thumbs up button, turn on your post notification, share the video with your friends and your family, leave a comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Once you have done so, go ahead and follow me on my social media right here, so right here, so right here, so as well as if you want to advertise in the social media countdown, shoot me an email to this address right here. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I have me not a week, yo, just tune in, zine.